Hello everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day today. I'm very excited because today I'll be sharing my very first unboxing video with you all. We had a company reach out to us and ask if they could send us some free products to review. This company is called Society6, and if you haven't heard of them, they are a marketplace for independent artists, and they recently were given a license for Disney Mickey Mouse, which is super exciting, and so that's what they asked us to review, some Mickey Mouse items. It is a similar concept to TeePublic in that it is artists on this website. They have over 300,000 artists on here. But the difference is they don't do t-shirts, they actually do home decor. They have throw pillows, shower curtains, comforters, wall art, so many different items, and I'm going to share a couple that they sent with us today, and I'm really excited to see what they are. So the first thing is a very long box, and if I had to guess, I'm gonna go with wall art. I think I'm right on this. Oh, it's very large. So here's what it looks like. And give me a second to open it. So it was not taped. The wall art itself was not taped, so that's a good thing. It's wrapped in paper. Oh, it's folding out this way. Okay. Well, you can see it before I do. We have Steamboat Willie. How amazing does this look? So I'm going to have to get a really nice frame for that, but I think it looks awesome. So this looks so great, and the best part I think is the fact that an artist created this. Like, this is really awesome, and they do get paid for anything that is purchased with their artwork, so you are supporting an artist every time you purchase something on Society6. And I do have one more package to share with you. So I got two different packages, and it says on here actually every purchase pays an artist. Okay, so this is a pillow, which I'm not going to open at this second, but they did make it much smaller for shipping. And if that is a throw pillow, oh, this is amazing. What an amazing design. I love this so much. So this is a throw pillow, and it's a bunch of Mickey heads, which if you know us, you know we love finding Mickey heads everywhere. This is gonna go on our couch. Someone designed that. How great is that? I love this so much. And I went ahead and opened up the vacuum sealed pillow and put the pillowcase on it, and this really does look amazing. This is probably my favorite of the two items. I cannot wait to have this on our couch. It's going to be perfect. It's just so many Mickey heads. I love it so much, and all the colors are so much fun. They have so many different designs on Society6, especially with the Mickey Mouse collection that they have, and they're adding more every single day. So I would definitely head over there. You can click on the link in the description. It is an affiliate link, and it will take you to the Mickey Mouse collection. They also have Star Wars and The Mandalorian, and because they are getting new artists every day, they're also getting new artwork. So just because you don't see something you love today doesn't mean you won't find something else later on, because they're always adding new artwork. This is a great way to support independent artists and get some Disney items in your home. I love decorating anything Disney in my home, so this is so much fun, and I'm sure Robert will be shopping their Mandalorian and Star Wars collection as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I very much enjoyed doing my very first unboxing video, and I'm very excited for some new items to put in our home. Once again, there is an affiliate link in the description, which we do make money off of if you buy something through that link. Thank you all for your support, and happy shopping!